yung pagka-intimate nung performance na parang kausap mo lang yung kaibigan mo, lalo na yung simulang part, ay na-deliver mo ng solid through this song. Kasi yung kanta mo talaga parang as it was written, isa siyang kanta na napapareflect ka sa buhay, napapareflect ka kung para saan ka ginawa. And to hear it also performed by such a young girl adds a whole new dimension to it. Parang it's as if an angel is singing the words, "What was I made for?" And you delivered a very, very special performance tonight.
So si Marian, yung vulnerability nung pagka-perform niya, towards the start, na-balance out nung power nung paano niya in-end yung song. So, I really enjoyed thoroughly that performance, Marian.